Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. My name is Elliot Page. Today, welcome back to another review. We have the Nike Air Zoom Type in the Menta colorway. Someone commented and asked me where I get my sneakers from, and there's loads of different places, but I currently don't have any plugs, so if you're out there and you're a plug, hit me up. Alright, so we've got cardboard on cardboard. I've done a couple reviews on the N354 Nike program. Let's get into it. Okay, so again, box, they give you a little description. The Zoom Type. So you may be thinking that this design kind of looks familiar to you, and that is because it is actually based off of the design of the Nike Zoom Alphafly. I actually did a review on that like 2 videos ago or something, so if you want to check that out, that's up on the channel. Nike actually took a prototype when they were making the Alphafly, and they scanned it and then they reverse engineered it to make a sneaker that was for daily use. This is what they want to be, something that you wear all the time, super comfortable. Now, before I get ahead of myself saying how comfortable these are, I want to whack them on foot, I want to try them out, and then come back and tell you what I think. So let me go and do that. I definitely got Alphafly vibes from wearing these, and of course that's just because the layout is so similar. So let me try and explain what it feels like wearing this shoe. The cushioning on this is very, very soft. Very soft. Now, I would have thought that this cushioning system is Zoom X, the same cushioning system you find on the Alphafly. However, when I tried to look it up and see if it was, there wasn't any information saying exactly what this cushioning system was. So I can't really say that it is. However, it definitely feels like it. You also get a TPU plate running through the midfoot. Now, that is the exact same thing that the Alphafly has, except the plate in the Alphafly is made of carbon fiber. You can kind of see it extending out from the back of the shoe. So because of the really soft cushioning system in this, as you're walking, when your heel hits the floor, it is immediately absorbed by this really nice soft cushioning system. As you're stepping, the support that you get from this TPU plate, as well as these Zoom AirPods, it kind of propels you forward. So you kind of get that springy effect that you would on the Alphafly. However, I feel like obviously this is a lot more geared towards daily wear and lifestyle. That kind of split midsole really looks like the Sacai Vapor Waffle. So overall, it almost feels like a less intense experience to the Alphafly. Now, the design of this sneaker has stayed very true to its prototype origins. It has stayed very raw, uncut, and kind of asymmetrical with exposed stitching and all kinds of different elements. The upper comes in this very thin, felt feeling material, which is literally the entire upper. You get loads of perforated punch holes in the toe box area, which I don't particularly like the look of. You've also got some overlays, which of course have that exposed stitching as well. Now you've got, I don't really know what material this is. It kind of feels like, I mean, a very cheap synthetic, maybe synthetic leather, but I mean, really cheap feeling. And that's around the eyelet holes and around towards the heel of this sneaker. Moving up to the tongue of this shoe, it has a little patch sewn in which says the N354 logo, as well as this shoe is based on Zoom Air prototype built at Nike WNG testing ideas. Now the midsole is pretty interesting. You can see a stack of 2 different foams, and of course sandwiched in between that you see the plastic TPU plate that is running in between both of these 2 different foams. Now moving up to one of the most, I'd say, eye-catching feature of this shoe is the exposed Zoom Air unit. You get 2 AirPods, both on the lateral and the medial portion of the shoe, and it comes in 2 different colors. The one on the outside is orange and the one on the inside is green. So again, exactly like the Alphafly. I mean, you can really see this is just basically like a lifestyle version of the Alphafly. And you know what? I've got all the way through this video and I did not even notice that I'm missing a little part of the traction pattern. Okay, obviously this might be a big problem. Was this just left off or did it fall off? Is it in the box? Where is the rest of my shoe? Okay, so there is a lot of strange things about this sneaker. The asymmetrical stitching, the weird little pull tab which just looks like a cutout logo that they slapped on the back. It looks a little bit out of place. The extended TPU plastic that's coming out of the midsole, the weirdly looking hole punches that you find in the toe box, but it's a comfortable shoe. I will give it that. Now what I'm gonna do is go and call up End Clothing and tell them I need the rest of the shoe, but that is pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. I will catch you in the next video, but until then.